Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Vanem. The company is Monday, October 3rd. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. Higher trade in corn and soybeans as it looked like aggressive buying came through. No real news behind it. You could guess it was maybe managed money since it was so hard and so aggressive. Corn closing up 9 1/4, soybeans up 19 cents on the day. So it could have been a little bit of that. You also had came over the weekend. They shifted the rain models. It originally was supposed to be in the Dakotas. Now it looks like parts of Minnesota and Iowa looking to get 1 to 3 inches over the next couple days in the wettest areas. They've really struggled to have huge floods going on, or did have going on in Cedar Rapids, and so it sounds like maybe those rains are coming to hit that once again, struggling to really progress as far as it goes as harvest levels. And you had some strong inspections here this morning as well for corn and soybeans. So there was a couple little stories that were able to help this market up quickly, starting to get towards that top end of the range in soybeans. 980 to 990 is where we found aggressive pressure into these markets. Your 974-ish area there in soybeans right now, so not that far away. Corn, you did have a good close here on the technical side of things on the chart, opening it up for another 6 to 17 cents there. So on the technical side of things, looking good on corn. Wheat was a little bit of a different story. Minneapolis scrap buy able to close up 1 3/4, but both Kansas City and Chicago wheat down anywhere from 8 to 10 cents there. So pressure as far as that. You're starting to get quite a spread between Chicago and Minneapolis and Kansas City and Minneapolis right now, as Minneapolis has really been able to hold its own. Meat market struggled all day long, trading both sides of things. Some contracts actually did have expanded limits today, as you locked limit in a couple different ones here on Friday after the dismal week there into the meat markets. Couldn't really put anything together. Live cattle front month just up about 5 cents, deferred slightly lower. Same situation in feeder cattle. I think it was up 82.5 on that front month, but deferreds were down lower as well. And then the meat markets, kind of the same situation, slightly lower on the front, but deferreds, far deferred. So your summer months actually built a nice premium of about $3 out there. Outside markets didn't really do anything today, very limited trade there. So moving forward, what you're going to be seeing these grains do is really watching these weather totals, these rain totals, to see what we get and then how cold we get and how fast it might warm back up. As you know, if you keep that cold weather, it's going to be a little bit before things dry out, and that'll delay harvest just a little bit longer. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk of loss, may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.